Welcome to another video, viewers and subscribers. You don't know it's Adrian, and you know we're there in our farm, just finish some work and thing. And right about now, you know again, lunchtime again, so we're there here, I cook a little pot. Yeah man. You know the settings the people, food of eating. So I look about some rice and peas and brown stew chicken. You know how it go? Well, he's not a really a chicken man, so you know, I just me alone I gotta eat I just me alone I gotta partake in this, because Rasta is not really a chicken man. So yeah, you don't know where they are, you don't know say outdoor style already. Yeah. I'm on see I have a banana right here so I grow. So yeah my peeps, you don't know. Brown stew chicken and rice and peas today. Check in, go and watch the video. All who not subscribe can click the subscribe button and like the video. Then we already have the peas on the fire. I go and boil. You know, because you know we did do some little preparation ahead of time. So we have the peas on the fire. I go and boil. You know, the peas right here so boil. Yeah, and just about now it almost finished boil. Call it say it finished boil, my people. So what we are gonna do now? What me are gonna do now is put the coconut milk in it. I'm already grated the coconut milk, so you know it go. A quick and fast something. Cause you know rice and peas take long for cook already, people. So we already grated the coconut and thing. Yeah. So what we are gonna do is just strain off the coconut milk in the pot right now. So yeah man, you can keep on watching and see how I do it. This is a famous style. Yeah man. Rice and peas and brown stew chicken. That we have for lunch today. I know not normal my people, so go and watch what I go on. So right about now, I'm going to put in the coconut milk and show you how I do it. You see? Alright people. Yeah viewers, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain off the coconut milk in the peas. Yeah? I'm going to strain it off in the peas and make it go and boil up. Fire hot people, I have to move a while ago. Yeah man, so I strain off the coconut milk in the peas. Make it go and boil up. Get out all of the milk, people. Milk, coconut rich. Strain them off good. Yeah viewers, dash of that. Yeah viewers, so strain off the coconut milk. We just put in the coconut milk in the peas. I make it go and boil up some more. Push up the fire. Make it go and boil up with the peas. The coconut milk go and boil up with the peas. Yeah, and in the meantime, I go wash the rice. I wash the rice and get ready the rice if we go in the pot with the peas and the coconut milk. And then we put in a season, French thyme, and you know some other natural ingredient. Because even though a different kind of style of cooking this today, we still are going to use the natural ingredients them. Yeah man, French thyme, rosemary, and over here so we have some little thing, you know, for the chicken and such. Yeah people. So you know, go and watch all go on people. My style of cooking rice and peas and brown stew chicken. You know it go lunchtime down here in Jamaica. You know, and a Jamaican style too. So you know what I go on my people. So go and watch what I go on and stay tuned. Go and watch what I go on. So right about now I go wash the rice and get the seasoning ready for going at the rice and peas and things. So I just make it go and boil up. I just make the peas And the coconut milk go and boil up now, my people. Yeah. See them? Fire on them too. Yeah, people. So this is my rice. I already wash it off. I already wash it 3 times over the pipe. So, I put it in now. We add this, we add the rice to the rice and the peas and the coconut milk. Make it go and boil and make it go and cook. Then after I finish add the rice, I put in the season them and thing. Don't show me one hand I have to use. It's kind of difficult. Yeah. So we'll give this a knock. So we get all of the thing now. Yeah. Add the rest of it to it. Yeah, viewers. Yeah. So I go give this a little stir. See them way. Stir it up, people. You know it go like Bob Marley say. Stir it up. So I go add my season them. Rosemary, French thyme, a little salt, some garlic. Yeah. I go add all of them things that to it now. And make it cook. And steam. Yeah, people. So I have my garlic right here, so I go use about 3 of it, people. Yeah. Hold on. So I go use about 3 of them, my people. I know garlic are good something for use. So can't go wrong when we use 3. So I go crush up them, Crush up them here. Yeah, so I go crush them here. Crush my garlic them. And add them to the pot. Yeah, people. Crush up them and add them to the pot. Give the pot a little flavor. I have some more things for putting in it, like the rosemary and the French thyme. But I have to get them there and wash them off. Yeah, people. Outdoor style. Jamaican rice and peas and brown stew chicken. Jamaican style. Yeah, my people, so I'm going to add my garlic to the pot now. The garlic them here, people. Yeah, so I'm going to slice them up. Chop them up, my first. Chop them up and mean, these people. And slice. Then I go add them to the pot. Yeah. So them are my people. So what I go do now, you can get the rosemary and the French thyme now. I get the rosemary and the French thyme. Wash it off and put it in the pot too. Make it cook with let it cook with let it cook with the peas. The rosemary tree here, my people. Yeah. That come nice. And that one here is a little new one. Yeah, people. So I wash them here off. I have to wash the thing them. Wash the thing them for putting on the pot. We have to do the thing clean, same way. Even though I'm here alone at partaking it. Yeah. So I'm going to add them here to the pot. The rosemary and the French thyme. I'm going to put some pimento in it too. But I have to go for the pimento. Give this a little stir too. Yeah, people. Cover it back. Yeah, so me yeah people. So me I gotta add some pimento seed to it to people. Give the pot more flavor. Yeah. This is the pimento seed. So I drop that in there so. Then I put a little salt in it. So this is the salt. Well, you know outdoor style, so now you really use no spoon. You can just use my hand. So I drop about a teaspoon of salt in it. Yeah, then I'll give that a stir, my people. You know, buying it in. So it look good already, my people. Yeah. So I'm gonna cover this and make it steam now. Cover that and make it steam. Yeah, people. Cover it down and make it steam. Like our outdoor fire, we don't need much fire under it. So, you know, draw with some of the stick them and make it steam. Yeah, my people. So, now in the meantime that I steam, I go season up the chicken, cut it up, and season it up. You know, right here, so I have my season them. I have some jerk season, browning when I get at the shop. Some Maggi season up. You know, probably use some of this too. And Irish, carrot, tomato, garlic, and an onion, my people. So yeah. So go and watch what I go on, my people. I go cut up the chicken and get it ready. You know, you me alone can't really hold the camera. So after I finish cut it up, I go make you see how I do it and explain. You know, I go make you see how I do it, my people. So yeah, go and watch. Don't know. Banks, brown stew, rice and peas. Manage to chop up the chicken. And here it is. I put some garlic, I dice up some garlic on it. Some garlic. So right now I go add the powder seasoning to it. Yeah. Right here some of the all purpose Maggi. Yeah, you know, it flavor your pot very nice. So I add little all purpose, some all purpose to it. Yeah, my people. Right here so I have some jerk seasoning I'm gonna get at the shop. So I'm gonna add some of this to it, my people. So we put add the jerk season to it. We're not gonna really need any salt because you know the season have been enough salt already. So yeah, that will do it, my people. So what I gonna do now, I gonna rub in the season, my people. I'm not gonna use my hand. You know, I have to use a fork. So yeah, I rub in the season, my people. Oh wait, we don't put no browning on it, my people. So everybody know, if you cook brown stew, you have to put a little browning on the chicken. So we add a little browning on it. We don't want much either. Because we don't want it for taste, you know. Too much of the browning. Just a little will do. Yeah. Just that we do. You know, we don't have much chicken either. Because I'm me alone. I'm me alone I go eat it. I'm not really eat much chicken when me I eat chicken. So yeah. So that's about that we do it, my people. So I'm gonna rub this in, rub in the season and rub in the browning. You know, combine it in and make it look right. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Look like it ready for eat already. So I go make this go and sit and marinate for about an half hour or some people. You know the season have to soak through it and such. You know it tastes good and have the right flavour. So yeah man. And we have the rice over here so. A steam. Just about ready. Yeah man. Yeah my people, this ready. So there it is my people. Rice and peas. So that ready, I'm gonna take off the pot and get ready for the chicken now my people. So rice and peas finished. You know. I go ready the brown stew chicken now. Brown the chicken. So right about now I get ready the pot. You know it go. And set up for the next setting. So go and watch my people. You know it go a banks. Don't know brown stew chicken and rice and peas today for lunch. What I do right now, I go add some coconut oil to the pot to brown the chicken. You know a brown stew chicken where I make so. You don't want no more and much more oil than that. Yeah, so I go brown the chicken right now. I put the chicken for brown. Chicken here look like it cook already. Yeah. I put in the chicken, make it go on brown. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Brown stew chicken to them people. So I make this go on brown. Cover it down and make it go on brown a little. And then meantime it a brown. You know me I go add. I go cut up and season them. And meantime it a brown. I go cut up and season them. And get me season them ready. Yeah my people. So we have a carrot right here so. Irish, tomato, onion and you know, just the basic viewers and subscribers. And you know right after we done cut up them we go also add the French thyme and a little rosemary and some bell pepper. Yeah viewers and subscribers, cause you know them they can't nice without the pot. The pot can't nice without them there. You know the natural season them. And I just pour that thing. Yeah my people so you don't know what they are go and do it my peeps. Yeah go and watch what go on nothing another one here today. Cause you know it go. Yeah man, so we just fully day outside and do it my people. So yeah, we are cut up the season them now my people. Cut up the season them now. Yeah man. Just I go give them a little chop. We don't want I don't want them too fine. Yeah man. Alright, so people, we just gonna finish cut up the vegetable them for putting in the brown stew, in the chicken. So right here so me have my tomato, my carrot, and my Irish, and we have a few bird pepper, and I'm gonna put a next piece of rosemary and a piece of French thyme in it. Yeah, wash them off again, my people. You know where it go. I have to stay clean. So wash them off again. Yeah, it look like it a go rain, people. Can be. Yeah, so I go put my vegetable them now and my natural season them now in my pot and get it ready. Yeah, people. You have the fire blaze, people. Fire blaze. Alright, so adding a vegetable them now, people. Wow, that look nice. Plenty of vegetable, people. So I go ahead, stir in this, my people. Then I add a little water to it. Yeah. See them, my people. Looking nice. So I add a little water to this now, my people. And make it cook. And let the Irish and the carrot them cook and the natural season them cook. Yeah, man. So that is it, my people. I will cover about this. Yeah. So yeah, people. So we have the chicken, the brown stew chicken I go and cook. You know, put some water in it and give it about an hour or so and let it cook. So after it finish cook, my peeps, I'm gonna make you see what I go on and show you the finished product. You don't know, my people, so keep on watching. You don't know, and stay tuned. Give the video a like. You can give the video a like, leave a comment and subscribe. You don't know it, go, my people. So yeah, we just go on, you know, freestyle and wait till a 1 hour time. Yeah, people. Brown stew chicken is simmer down right now. I'm just about ready still, so I'm gonna take him off right now and, you know, plate him out and make us see how it look, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, people, so brown stew finish now, and this is how it look, my people. So I'm gonna go dish him out, and right over here, so we have rice and peas, my people. Well ready, my people. So I'm gonna go dish him out now. I'm gonna plate out some of the chicken and make you see how it look now, my people. See it there, my people. Right there, so we have the brown stew chicken and the rice and peas. Well ready, my people. Yeah, man, so I dig in and take a bite. Yeah, you know how it go. Come on, so I take a bite. Tell you how it go. A piece of the chicken. Yeah. Subscriber, so brown stew chicken and rice and peas turned out well. There you have it. Well nice and well put together, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you like the video. Peace.